In today's topic, we are going to learn basic English and thok nath phrases and wale banarwach ka dobrieni nying thok English kana thok nath ko gor kone gwano bane tadana gwar keriet keja bane ka ngach men goro gwasame gor jeno brodo kabka for beginners ke kwirama thok nija for beginners ke kwirama thok nija amto kono gwasme usay angalaramo usay angalaramo rewde how is that angunamo how is that kie lededi dong gorje de kono chana min gor gwad me gorje no dong di gor ka tok English dong di lar what is that and how is that cherem lededi cherem something like that lar do dong mi chala ran let edi okay chana min ka like that so maybe dong di namadi using lededi how is that how is it working lededi how is that lededi okay di ro the kapkel gwadamana mradiana me about what ke kwinguka katungnat ke kwinguka about what number 3 about what ke kwinguka don't charo yaran don't di joga ke kwinguka about what number 4 about whom ke kwinguka tangwas ni about what me ke kwinguka dunona me chiko ne lara about whom ke kwinga ano ke kwinga so let try ke kwinga about whom ki ke kwinga ne de mo no mo de kan wo de kan about whom ke kwinga one ping gwada maka number 5 de dia in what way ka doben dien ki ka doben mis in what way ka doben dien ki ka doben mis number 6 take it nanga number 7 not at all Shiejan, not at all Shiejan. Number 8 in a while don't be late in a while karwada don't be late karwada in a while ka gwad matot di ran joga in a while but gwad matot in a while but gwad mane lo shibu jantan gwad mo jan chwal ke in a while mradiana mone don't be late man don't be late you ran no chujan don't be late chujan okay number 9 what to do angumi bilat what to do kiemen bilat kole latich angumi bilat di lar nono what to do angumi bilat number 10 where to go winika where to go wini where to go and gwada mane a teach take a teach where to go winika number 11 how to tell dere laridi dere laridi how to tell don't tell me go re laradian how to tell number 12 someday chenkel ala sherma dong take nin tungun yam dong ri lar chenkel someday bana malar ano chenkel bina matena na ke chenkel chuna matogana someday chenkel number 13 anytime nichang number 14 as usual katan take jenisha ke katan dana take jenawen number 15 off and on off magag door gak on live. Live, ga can live, off and on. Off and on. Number 16, so what? Kungu. So what? Kungu. Number 17, not at all. Shiejan. That's 17, not at all. Shiejan. Number 18, a bit more. Wirkawaniam. A bit more. Wirkawaniam. Number 19, at any cost. Any duob de jalat ke jamo. Bume ke tiaga en duob de jalat ke jamo. Jen lodomo. At any cost. Gore no bi nyuwa nasin ko ken chuje paru jeno bi subscribe ke more video to ba non ka jen channel me bi atema.